Okay, it's not what it looks like. I may still have screencast, but apparently a recording software is high in demand. I didn't know this. So, I suppose 15 minutes is a bargain. So we're going to start back on my vowel conlang. So, every sound is a vowel, an English vowel. Because I don't know any vowel systems other than that. I should probably learn that. And I've recorded other things before realizing I can't do it because you have to pay for it. So I already have a good idea of what to do. If job, then add I. And I believe this is because a reason that I've forgotten now. No, hold on. No, I remember. It means it's supposed to be ear, which in normal language would evolve into year, or ya. Yeah. So if job, then add ear to end of noun. Yeah? If job. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So then that means the word for hunt, which is ia e I o, or fluently it would be ia I o, would then go into ia e I o ia. Ia o, no, ia e I o ia. Also, you know I've been mentioning something that's double-barreled? What I've actually meant is diphthongs, but I've been pronouncing it wrong, and no one picked me up on it, so shame on you, internet. Hunter. Then I came up with a new colour, because if a civilization came up with a colour that for the sky, I mean, they wouldn't stop there. They'd say, oh, this colour thing is a great idea, let's make more. So I'm also setting them in a rural environment. Well, obviously, because they're primitive, but, like, I mean rural, as in mountainous forests. And I'm imagining the main animals that they're aware of would be boar, bear, wolves, eagles, I don't know, just generally things that tend to be brown, probably to camouflage with the forest. So, yeah, I do believe I and the EU, it would devolve because diphthongs, not double-barreled, are very hard to keep. They're normally a mistake or mispronunciation which causes them, or just to differentiate from other words. So, yeah, I believe. No, I put you first. EU, oh god, you, hold on. EU. Okay, so this means brown. Brown? Yeah. Also, this is supposed to be an equal sign. Okay, right. Now we need a past, present, future system. I have already done this in a previous recording that what got messed up. So to show that natural languages aren't perfect, they always get disturbed, tampered with, like there and there. You need context to tell which one is different, and that is the same with any second now, with Eeyore, which some of you may have noticed is the same as brown, and this is the same as hood, which came twice in the English language. There are probably other words that have... there is a word for them, like renonyms, something that ends with enonyms. And then, to prove the point that natural languages are never perfect, I'm also going to make the completely unnecessary detour that is, in fact, also, I should probably mention, the reason it's called Eeyore is sort of related to brown, but as in it's related to creature, because their perception of time, instead of traditional Western beliefs, is left to right, or in Chinese it's top to bottom, or, well, I mean, all countries have different languages, have different beliefs. In this one, it's bottom to top, and that's why it's called Eeyore, because as Eeyore, it's... Ooh, accents. Ooh, that's a good idea. I mean, yeah, accents are still... Ooh, I might make a 2.0 on this, just to experiment with accents. Yeah, that's a good idea. If future, then add, so yeah, if it's bottom to top, sky would be future, right? That makes sense. So that's why that's called Eeyore, and this one will be named after sky. And this is Oya. Now, you might think, oh, but if you're making them sound like other words, why not go with Ia? But again, languages are imperfect. They keep foiling. They don't have proper plans. If you want to make a natural language, actually, you could program that into an AI, you know, to randomly select. Anyway, add no. If future, then add Oya to beginning of verb. See what I did there? That's again imperfect. It's unnecessary, it's stupid, it's complicated, but lots of languages do things like this. So, yeah, silly languages, shame on them. We've done a word for... We should probably add more verbs. This is about as far as I got in the other recordings, so I've gone through this quite fast. I do believe we need a speculative... No, not speculative evolution, that's something different. A specific to culture. I might make a speculative evolution series. You know, try to recreate it in Blender. No, I can't stop thinking of the word what was I called? Specific. Specific to culture. teacher. So this is very primitive, and primitive things tend to like violence. So let's have a god of hunt, like Artemis, right? So huntwe. No, I can't stop adding sounds. It would be iya, i, o, oia, oe, oia, oe. This is getting difficult. Okay, no, never mind. Let's just make one god about hunting, which would be Eio. Okay, god of hunt. God of hunting. Eio. Okay, now. We've already got a word blue, so the god of the sky, the god of creatures, yeah, and then their logic would be that they're constantly fighting and the world was a byproduct of this. Yeah. So this would be, we've got another one that's going to end with Iwo. How about we make it coincide with, hold on, let me just do a little something. Oh, actually, yeah, there's another thing to do. Yay, which is derived from me, because this is probably going to be patriarchal, nothing political, but, I mean, basic civilizations seem to like strength over anything else, so, yeah. Iai means he, and again, because this is a natural language, that doesn't mean that she would be defined by you. It could be anything. It could be from god of hunting. No. That car, don't know if you can hear that. Let us say that I can't think of anything. It derives from blue or sky. Sure, that seems like quite a feminine colour. I mean, it would be in their culture, not traditionally, but, you know, you never know. Oh yeah. Just check I haven't got anything else that sounds like that. No. Oh yeah. Or ie means sheep. So now, if feminine, can I spell feminine? Can I? No, I can't. Imagine that's proper spelling. If feminine, hold on, wait. Yeah, okay, this is going to be like a lot of European languages, where they add genders to objects for absolutely no reason. I might do that in the next episode because we're running out of time. If female, sure. Sure. If no, if female, then God, I hate keyboard so much. I love you. If female, then add a. Come on, 30 seconds. A to end of noun. Okay, good. I think we might have to finish off there. But this is I'm proud of this. I'm quite proud of this. Yep. So bye.